Weird type of computer operating system.
First up is Temple OS. Created by a single programmer named Terry A. Davis over a decade, this OS wasn't built for work or gaming. Davis claimed he built it on official orders from God. Because of his strict interpretation of these divine instructions, the OS is locked at a low 640 by 480 resolution, uses only 16 colors, and runs on a custom language called Holy C. It has absolutely no internet capabilities to keep out government agents. Instead, it features retro flight simulators and a bouncing oracle meant to generate random words to speak with God. It is a brilliant but tragic piece of solo engineering. Next is Suicide Linux, a modified operating system built for extreme thrill seekers who hate their own data. In standard Linux, typing a command incorrectly just gives you an error message. In Suicide Linux, the moment you make a single typo in the terminal, the OS automatically executes a script that wipes your entire hard drive. One wrong letter, and your system commits digital suicide, erasing everything instantly. It is the ultimate high-stakes typing test. Red Star OS moving into extreme state control, we have North Korea's official government operating system. Red Star OS, built on Linux, it is visually customized to look almost exactly like an older version of Apple's Mac OS. However, it is designed for heavy surveillance. The moment you plug in a USB drive, the OS automatically watermarks every single media file with the computer's hardware serial number. This allows the government to track exactly who is distributing forbidden foreign movies or music. Try to disable these security features, and the system immediately locks down. Serenity OS is an alternate reality desktop. Imagine if the classic visual aesthetic of Windows 95 never died, but the technology kept advancing for decades. Built entirely from scratch, without any Linux or Windows code, it looks exactly like a 1997 operating system, but functions completely like a modern one. It includes its own custom-built web browser that can render modern websites, its own media players, and its own coding tools. It is a functional, beautiful love letter to the golden era of desktop computing. Whether built for divine instruction, political tracking, or surviving the end of the world, these operating systems show just how weird software can get. Which of these would you actually dare to try? Let me know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next video.